everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to open some chocolate surprise eggs. Now normally when you buy a carton of eggs from the supermarket, they come in a dozen, which equals 12. So I picked out 12 super awesome eggs for us to open together today. Our first one is an Urban Dudes little chocolate surprise egg. And our figure comes out in all different pieces and we have to build it. I'll show you the flyer. Here's all the different ones to collect. There's a soldier, a marine person, there's a doctor, a policeman, all sorts of different ones. And this is the one we got today. So here he is. We got the soldier. Very easy to put together. He's kind of like a little Lego minifigure, right? Very, very cool way to start. Our next egg is a Disney princess egg. The flyer with all the different princesses to collect. And we got Snow White. She comes in a few different pieces. Oh no, she has no hair. Put her dress on, and then we'll put her beautiful hair on as well. Really, really cute, right? And next we have a Powerpuff Girl. Flyer, lots of different characters to get, and we got Bubbles. Bubbles also comes out in a few different pieces. There she is. Looks like she's about to take off. Next we have a Choco Treasure egg that is Shopkins themed. Apple Blossom and Poppycorn. These ones come inside of an egg capsule. The flyer, lots of different figures, and lots of other different awesome prizes. We got a puzzle. This is what they call a 3D puzzle or a vertical puzzle. I'll put it together and show you. Look, it's a Shopkins picnic table. Isn't this adorable? And it's a type of puzzle that actually stands up. Instead of being laying flat on the ground, it stands up, so that's why they call it vertical. Our next chocolate surprise egg comes from Jockey Princess. And inside we get one of the ponies. So pretty. We got Sally today. I'll put it together. Isn't she beautiful? So pretty. And next is a Kinder Surprise. This is from Masha and the Bear. Delicious Kinder milk chocolate. Oh, that was a good pop. Oh, and it looks like we got Masha. She's super cute. She's an ice skating Masha, and when you put her down and move her little base here, she twirls around like she's really ice skating. How cute is that one? I love it. Next, we have another Kinder Egg surprise. This one is for girls. Take a look at the flyer. Ooh, this looks really pretty. Oh, it's little butterflies. What a beautiful purple butterfly. And next we have a Minnie Mouse egg. And you can get either Minnie Mouse or Daisy in here. And we got Minnie Mouse. A little figure of Minnie sitting on a chair. And our next one comes from Peppa Pig. Flyer. And today we got Mummy Pig. She comes in 2 different pieces. Very easy to put together. And there is Mummy Pig. And our next one comes from Miraculous. Here's the flyer. We got Tiki. Oh, so cute, so little, right? Oh, that's a cute one. And next is Dora the Explorer from Kinder. And here's the flyer. I'll put it together. And here we have a Tico, and he has a little magnifying glass inside of him. And they give you a little sheet of paper here, and you have to look through this little pretend forest and try to find animals. I see a rhinoceros. I see a zebra. What else do I see? An antelope, and on the back you get points for each animal you find. What a super cute little fun game to play. That's awesome. And our last one comes from Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. There's the flyer. And we got Poppy. And she comes out in 1 piece and super, super cute as always. Well, guys, we got some really cute surprises inside of our chocolate eggs today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and checking them all out. Be sure to come back. Don't forget to subscribe to see lots more toys and surprises every single day here on Cam's Toy Box. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye now.